We are live inside of our team training where we are live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is create a team showcase. There are many reasons that you would want to create this. One, maybe for your agency, if you want to highlight your team or a client's website, you may want to create something like this to highlight their team. Also, what I do is I am actually creating a place to showcase my high-level partners. So if you are a pro plan partner with my vision agency, meaning you have the SaaS level plan, you are now going to be featured on our partner website. Okay. So this is really important for my agency in particular, because we do not provide services anymore. Okay, when I first got started, I provided services and things like that. And as I grow my SaaS business and my program, I am no longer doing that, but I get constant requests for services, and I want to forward those to my partners. Okay, I work with my partners. Most of them are in my Friday Q&A every week, and so I definitely want to forward the business to them, and it's great, so everybody wins, right? Plus my clients or the members get to cut out the middleman, because I am not earning a commission just for referring. Okay, I just simply do this as another added benefit of being on my team. Okay, now what's really cool about this setup is you see here that it's just a high-level website page, and I've just embedded this widget in here. Now this is more than just boxes, right? You'll see that this pops up because I'm using the Elfsight apps widget tool. And I'm going to show you the whole back end of that. We've been talking about Elfsight a lot this week, because they have over 80 different apps that you can embed into your website. They embed beautifully into the high-level website, so it really, you can make your, while HighLevel is very, powerful, it doesn't have a lot of the bells and whistles that maybe Elementor or something like that would have. But when you incorporate Elfsight widgets into your high-level website, you can really create some really beautiful things. Okay, so this is basically what the widget looks like. Now what I love about this is you can hover over here, and then you can click on the links, and you'll see that you have a pop-up window. This is really, really nice. And then you have the name, and you have the email address, and then a brief snippet. You can embed videos in here, or links, clickable links, or images. You can do lots of things, and of course you can change the style and branding and all of that. Okay. So today what I'm going to show you is Elfsight. Okay, but before I get into that, I do want to let you know that if you are a partner of my vision agency, meaning you are sponsored through HighLevel by me, what you can do is, first of all, you can scroll down, or you can just click HighLevel resellers, and it takes you right to that section. What you want to do is go to the $497 plan. Okay, now if you're you're a member of my vision agency, maybe you upgraded or something. This is for my actual affiliates. Okay, so you have to be a SaaS member of my affiliates, and then you get all of the the snapshots and different things. But what you want to do is go to the module that says add your info to our partner listing, and you're going to want to fill out this form. When you fill out the form, then that's capturing all the information I need to add you to the partner site. Okay, I hope that you guys get lots and lots of leads with this process, because before, I've just been posting them in the noisy group and telling people to go to the job boards, but I really want to give you that extra encouragement, the extra, positioning that comes from being a partner, because you can say I'm a partner with my vision agency, and then when you do reach out to people in the groups, you can position yourself as, hey, I'm actually a partner with my vision agency, instead of just being in in the mix of everyone else, right? Kind of helps you to position yourself. Okay, I do see that Floyd is watching on YouTube. Hello, Floyd, thank you so much for joining me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Elfsight now. Okay, I do see Linwood is watching as well. Hello, Linwood. And what you want to do is go to the tools section. Okay, when you go to the tools, you'll see this widget here, Team Showcase. Okay, now if you've missed any of the previous training about Elfsight, this is again what we've been talking about this week. Highly recommend go to Elfsight if you're looking for a simple way to accomplish a task on your HighLevel website. So easy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Create Widget. All right. Now you see that this is the basic, what I just showed you, right? This is the basic template here, but you definitely do have lots of options. You see if you click here, it pops up, and of course I branded mine and all of that, to customize. It's not live yet. I just wanted to show you, kind of give you an idea of how you could use it. So we have this layout here, and you'll see that it is organized by categories. You can set it up that way. So like leadership, marketing, products. Also, small team if you want something a little bit more basic, or if you like this setup here. Now, I actually really love this, and also when I'm showing you this, don't really think about, well, I don't really have a team I want to showcase, because there's so many things that you can do with this. Like I've thought about, website templates. If you want to show snapshots and all the different things here, you could completely change this to just be a simple like way of presenting information. And then of course when people click on it, then a little window pops up there. You can also with this dedicated team option, you have the ability to toggle over. So let's say that I was doing like website templates. I could say maybe all here, and then maybe here I want to say yoga templates, and then here I want to say lawyer templates or something like that. Okay, so definitely think outside the box of how you could utilize, because everything that we do in marketing, it's, we have tools, right? But it's not just about the tool. The tool is great, but it's all in how you use the tool that really makes the difference. It's the strategy, right? It's using what you have to accomplish the task that you need. So we also have this option here, which is kind of cool. It has how it kind of pops up the image there. You can also click there, and that opens up a pop-up window. You also have the team roster here. So that's kind of cool. Teachers. So that's kind of a cool layout there. You could also do kind of like a long list here where it's kind of vertical, and you can scroll down and see those. You also have this option here, so it's kind of like the music one. You click there, and then the little window pops up. So basically what you want to do is just choose the theme that best suits your purpose, and then once you choose it, you could just click continue with the next template. Okay. Now they put in some samples here to help you get started, because, we like to have samples so you can visualize what it's supposed to look like. So what I would do is just go through and edit each of these things, or of course you can delete them. But it's really easy to add a member. Okay. So if I just wanted to edit this, obviously you're going to put your name, the position. You do have to, if you want this little area to pop up here, you do have to have some description in the biography. But inside the biography, what's cool is you can highlight the text, and you can make it bold, italicized, you can underline it, you can add a link if you need to, or even the number list or bullet points, and you can also embed code if you needed to. Okay, so really there's lots of customizations. You could change the photo here. You can add the email, the phone, the location, the website. You can add different, like let's say if I wanted to add social media icons or something like that, and have all of their different social media, I could do that as well. You could add a quote, an external link here, or add additional photos if you wish. Okay, so that's really pretty basic there. You also have the layout. If you want to change the layout of this particular theme, you could just toggle through here and kind of get some ideas of, whatever is going to best suit your purpose. You can also change the width there, and then you could center, or you could justify all of this to the right. Again, just depending on whatever it is that you're looking for. You could also change the background. So maybe I wanted the background to be blue. I could change the text color. Maybe I want it to be like, let's just say this color, just so you can see it. And then I could also change the link color. Maybe I want that to be orange. You could change the background color of the widget. Maybe we'll just say, let's just make it black, just for You could also change the gradient or add an image to the background. You could also add a video to the background if you wanted to. Just add the video URL. And it says that you can set any public YouTube or Vimeo video URL. Okay, so really so many customizations that you can do. You can also change the pop-up. That is this pop-up here. You can change the color background. So if you wanted that to be blue, you could do that. You could also change the text color. So maybe you wanted that to be orange or white or something like that. And then again, you could change the link colors if you wanted to. Okay. So you also have the ability to add custom CSS if you are familiar with that. And then you can change the messages where it says see info. Okay. Now, this is really, really simple. Okay. Once you get everything exactly how you want it, you're just going to want to click apply and then save. And when you do that, you are going to go to add to website, and then you're going to copy the code. Okay. Now, let's go back to, let me open up a demo here. And let's go to my demo account. I'm going to go to an actual website template so we can see here. Let me make sure it's not going to show any client information here. Okay, so we are in my demo account. Cool. Hello. All right. So I'm just going to go to sites, and let's just go to this one here. Okay, we'll go here. And let's go ahead and open this up. And now what we want to do is just add the element. So let's say I'm going to just add a full width here because this is where I want to put it. Of course, I need to add a row. And then I'm going to add the element. And I'm going to go to custom JS HTML, and I'm just going to drag that in there. Then once I've done that, you'll see over here, open code editor. And then I'm just going to click Control V to paste, and then yes and save. And then when you do that, you're not going to see anything, okay? But if you click here, this will actually give you a view of what that widget looks like, okay? Now, there are other options if you don't want this to be so close to the edge, especially if you put a background that makes it really noticeable. You can go back and adjust like the padding and different things like that. So it really does look really awesome. If you want to preview the live look here, we'll just scroll down here. Oops. Did I save it? I don't think I saved. Let's save. Okay. Oh, there we go. So now we have our website. It's embedded here. Okay. And you'll see this because I'm logged into Elfsight. But we can also click there, and then you'll see exactly what it looks like. Looks super, super cool. Now, you also can definitely embed into your HighLevel account. Let me go to... Okay, so what you would want to do if you wanted to do like I did, where it's like on the side panel, you want to go into your actual agency account. And then I don't want to go back there and show you because I don't want to expose like my whole agency information and clients and things. But you want to go to your main agency account and then go to settings, and you'll see where you can set your custom links. Okay, you just add that as a iframe. Okay, but super, super cool. I'm really, really excited about that. If you guys do not have an Elfsight account yet, you can actually get a $15 credit by going to myvisionagency.com/Elfsight. And if you're not a member of HighLevel or My Vision Agency yet, I encourage you to go to myvisionagency.com and check it out. See all of my bonuses and offers. And I will see you all tomorrow for our Friday Q&A. Go make your vision a reality.